In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts in Notion using your Notion data. We'll start by preparing your Notion database. Open the page that holds the data you want to visualize and make sure it's stored in a database view like a table, board, or list. Charts rely on structured fields, so confirm you have at least one number property for the values you want to measure and a select, multi-select, or date property you can use for grouping. It helps to clean up your data first. Keep category names consistent, avoid empty cells, and ensure the date field is a real date, not text. Next, decide what you want to track. Pick a clear metric such as tasks completed per week, expenses by category, or sales per month. This choice will guide which chart type fits best and which properties you'll use. Keeping your goal in mind makes the chart easier to interpret and share. On your Notion page, add the chart block, type /chart, and select chart from the block options. If charts haven't rolled out to your workspace yet, you can use a supported integration like Notion Charts or Chartbase to achieve a similar result. When the chart block opens, connect your database, click Select a database, choose the one that contains your data, and Notion will pull from it directly. This live connection is what keeps your chart up to date automatically. Now choose a chart type. Use a bar chart to compare values, a line chart to track trends over time, a pie chart to show proportions, or a column chart to visualize grouped totals. Pick the option that tells your story clearly. For time-based data, line or column charts usually work best. Configure the chart properties. Select the value property, which should be your number field, then choose how to group the data by date, category, status, or another relevant field. Apply filters so you only see what matters, such as the current month or completed items. For dates, try grouping by week or month to smooth out noise. Customize the chart to improve readability. Give it a clear title, adjust labels and legends, and fine-tune time ranges or categories. Small tweaks like consistent colors and simplified labels can make a big difference. Add the chart to a dashboard by dragging it into place, resizing it, and positioning it next to related trackers for context. Your chart will update automatically as your database changes. Maintain your data and your visuals stay current. Finally, review your chart to make sure it aligns with your goals, then share the page with your team or duplicate it for future projects. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.